Deep diving into affiliate marketing. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this is known as a pretty easy and innovative way to make money on your website. One of the ways to get into affiliate marketing is by introducing something called an affiliate program. Also known as associate programs, these are deals you can make with online merchants that pay a website commission to get them traffic or sales. Some platforms also offer commissions if you can get your subscribers to perform certain actions, including but not limited to sharing content. It really depends on what your partner is trying to sell. It is an effective yet cheap way to get eyeballs and sell stuff. Typically, there are three parties in these programs. There's you, your partner, and also the customer. This concept became quite popular in the mid-1990s when Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon.com, used it as a marketing strategy. The company started by paying these affiliates a part of the profit on the sale if they posted links to Amazon Books, their first ever product, or redirected traffic from the affiliate site back to their own homepage. The affiliates were happy to get paid while Amazon did all the heavy lifting once it got the users to its website. Today, Amazon has more than 500,000 affiliates. If you're interested in how it works, here's a crash course. Once you sign up to a merchant's affiliate, you get a unique link that will track the sales. Each time a subscriber clicks on that link, a cookie is stored on the device they use. This cookie helps the merchant track the sale back to the individual. It's natural to want to know how much you will get paid. Practically speaking, there is no upper limit on how much money you can actually make off of affiliate marketing. That's why there are entire websites dedicated to this. Real earnings depend on your industry and the niche that you have carved out for yourself. It also depends on the size of your email list and how many of your subscribers are actually paying customers, not just for you, but have enough faith in you to click on your links and make a purchase elsewhere. It's not uncommon for a successful affiliate marketer to make a big cut at the end of the month. Pat Flynn of Smart Passive Income is known to have earned more than $100,000 in December 2017 just in commissions. But that sort of thing does not happen without planning and strategy. In fact, you can see that it all comes back to literally everything we have talked about in this book. 1. You need an email list, and it must be as big as it can get. Yes, we're hinting at size matters. 2. You need to have a relationship with your audience, which is based on the value you offer and the trust you have built. 3. You need to have data about the segmented campaigns to know what you can target to your subscribers. 4. You need to offer relevant products to your subscribers so that you can run a successful affiliate marketing campaign and make some money off it.